Hi everybody, let's talk about how to use Binance Portfolio Margin feature. So to enable and use the Binance Portfolio Margin feature on your mobile app, you have to upgrade your account mode, which unifies margin across spot, margin, and future wallets. So to activate a portfolio margin, open your Binance app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap the wallets button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select the futures tab at the top and then tap the settings. Then go to menu icon or locate the account mode section. If it is eligible, tap upgrade now. Then carefully read the terms and pass the mandatory quiz or appropriateness assessment to activate. Now to monitor and trade, navigate to the trade tab at the bottom of your screen and make sure that you're in the margin or futures trading interface. Now access the dashboard to view your unified maintenance margin and debt levels. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next